How to check watch history on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the top right corner and then select on the gear icon. As you select on the gear icon, scroll down. As you scroll down, you'll be able to see the option of activity log under your activity. So select on that. As you see, you can just see different options at the top. So if you want to see what is your watch history, you can also see if you have the option of search history, group searched, your comments, like and reactions, and so on. So if you want to see what you have watched in terms of your videos, you can simply tap on videos watched. And as you do that, you'll be able to see all the videos that you have watched or that is in your history on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.